Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about relaxing backyard bathtub ideas. If you have ever dreamed of a peaceful and luxurious bath right in your own backyard, you are in the right place. Let's explore some fantastic ideas to make your backyard a spa-like paradise. Before we jump into the ideas, let's talk about why outdoor bathtubs are so wonderful. They let you enjoy a bath while feeling the breezy and being close to nature. Imagine a classic clay foot bathtub in your backyard. It's like stepping into a vintage spa, and it adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. Using natural stone to build your tub is a fantastic idea. It's give your outdoor bath a rustic natural look that blends perfectly with your backyard. Go for a stand alone bathtub. These sleek tubs bring a contemporary style to your outdoor oasis. Wood fired hot tubs are perfect for a warm and cozy soak. They contrast between the warm water and cool air is amazing. Surround your outdoor tubs with plants and flowers to create a private garden escape. It's like bathing in your secret garden. To keep things steady, pair your outdoor bathtub with a shower. It's practical and convenient. Elevate your experience with some romantic lighting, candles, or lanterns can create a magical bath under the stairs. Try a DIY stock tank tubs. They are budget friendly and easy to turn into a comfy outdoor soak space. Finally, position your tub is enjoy unset. There is something special about watching the sun go down while you relax in the tub. So there you have it, relaxing backyard bathtub ideas to help you create a peaceful and luxurious retreat at home. With these ideas, your backyard can become a spa-like paradise. If you found these ideas inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor and design inspiring ideas.